Namaste friends, I am Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. This is expiry day live recording is going on. So this is 3 minute time frame order flow, Banknifty 3 minutes time frame order flow. Banknifty, what happened today? The opening was gap up. So this area we are discussing past 2 days. This is some information is here. So after that fall also, Bank Nifty got yesterday's after that L period fall also. See how much point gap up. There is a good gap up was happen. So we are just this market profile give you the clear idea. Why? Because see this power high, this AB power high. These are the poor sellers. Yesterday itself we are saying that this B period high is weaker, hence selling. Okay, the same thing we are telling this D period high. So in Nifty, okay. So that thing is going on now. So there is a high probable chance for reversal. Why? Because as per market profile, this open issued high will be taken care, will be removed very fast. So we'll see if any entry is possible. Now there's a small entry is there above this particular spinning candle. So above this, any acceptance will go for clearing this particular open is equal to high. So this is 3 minute time frame, and not market is not ready to fall much. So we just planning for the entry if any acceptance above this particular territory. So let's see what is going to happen. The entry also we are planning to enter above this acceptance only, above this acceptance. So we'll wait. As we discussed, just we entered here, that means 44,900 CE at 114. At 114 we entered CE. So below this only stop loss. Below this will be a stop loss. The higher odds for clearing this particular target. So let's see what is going to happen. And the target is very defined, and this stop loss also just 20 points. Okay, so 114 means 1494. Okay, 94 will be the stop loss. Okay, 94 will be the stop loss. So let's check how the market is behaving. There is higher odds for clearing this particular high. So as we discussed and we entered in the morning at 114 we entered. Now is 129, more than 129 is moving up, market is moving up. So there is higher odds for 45,000. We'll book here when the 45,000 45 reach, we'll book here. Why? Because then market will take time to clear, might be will take time to clear on the top because of the expiry. Otherwise 1:1 we given 20 points SL. So 1:1, 20, if 20 points reach, that means 34, 134, then we'll book. 1:1 is enough. It's a huge money. Okay, 1:1 for a huge money. So 20 points is a great. So we'll wait. As per direction, market is moving up, but might be it will take time because of the expiry. They will plan and they will do many things there. So we'll check. Okay, once 134 reach, we'll book. Now 125, 114 we ended. So 125 is going on. Unexpected gap up, right? So that's why the market profile, see, market profile will reach by tomorrow here. Okay, here this level. You can mark this level in your trading view. Tomorrow, uh, 45,400, 45,400 market profile reach. Bank Nifty, okay, Bank Nifty, sorry, market profile. That's why the information is very clear. So whenever we are saying we are not ready to travel with this weaker hands, yesterday we told you this weaker hands is here, this weaker hands is there. So the poor selling was happened yesterday. So there is a higher roads to clear by EOD this particular level, and market will reach this high also, market will clear. So let's wait. What is the information is market is providing, then we'll wait. Okay. Team, as we discuss, Bank Nifty is moving up. So as we expected, the up move was there. Up move is there. There is a good buying also as per order flow. See, there is a good buying. That means otherwise the square of is something is coming here. So we are just holded the level now. 135 is going on. 135 is going on now. So there are higher roads for more up move in Bank Nifty, especially in Bank Nifty. Why? Because all-time high was crossed by Nifty. Nifty is moving new higher highs, going to new higher high. So that is the reason we just entered in the morning. So 1:1 is already there. 1:1 is going good. So here we are just booking at 140. 140 we are booking here because the expiry we are not ready to holding much time here. Already we holded much time. So we are just square offing at 140. So if you like this video, live recordings, kindly click the like button, do your comment in comment box. If you are a new viewer of this particular channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.